Hi there. In this session, we're going to work on the lats and opening them up. Now, for this one, we are going to utilize a strap. It is quite important that we use a strap here. If you don't have one of our StretchLab straps, then a belt or a yoga strap works just as well. Even in some cases, a PVC pipe can actually work as well. So let's get right into it. Now, one thing that's important here is our postural position. So we are going to start seated today. I'd like you at a place where your feet can support you. Even if they're not perfectly flat to the floor, we're going to be leaning side to side. So I want you to be able to use your feet as a base for stability as you get tall and long in your spine, okay? Go ahead and open up your strap. Let's get right into our first side of the stretch. We're gonna go 30 seconds per side here, okay? Nice and extended here. Now again, instinct is for the ribcage to drop, so I want you to get your ribcage nice and tall here, and then grow your spine up out of your pelvis. Again, this should be an active process through your lower body. From here, I'm going to start to lean my spine up and over like I'm trying to make an arch over to my left-hand side. And then once I find the position my spine can hold with relative comfort, then I'm going to use this left arm to pull my right arm nice and open here, looking for that stretch all through this lateral chain here, the lats, the intercostals, the serratus, and all these tissues that are in here, okay? Find my strap and rejoin you here. Give me 20 more seconds in this stretch here. Now that ribcage position is important, right? Very easy to want to crouch or crawl in and crawl out. From here, I want you to get nice and tall on your spine. Again, think about your collarbone up and open a little bit. If it helps, looking towards that straight arm. If you're looking straight up towards the ceiling, it's gonna tell your spine where to go. And I want you to breathe deep into this. So right into this area here, breathe. Feel it expand and open up. And then contract as you open up. When you're ready, you're gonna do the exact opposite to come out. You're gonna pull yourself into that position. If you need to, take a second to reset here. Get nice and tall in that spine. Grow that spine tall. Find your positioning here, and then arch up and over to the opposite side. Let that stretch nice and open. Again, that shoulder might want to round in here. I want you to think about dropping it back behind you. Getting nice and open here. Beautiful stretch. Give me 20 seconds more here. Try to stay tall in that spine. Proud in that chest and collarbone. Sternum comes through and shines forward. Feel free to look up for reference. For 3, for 2, for 1. On that exhale, bringing that strap back in. Nice work. That was our stretch for the lats and really the entire lateral chain there. You used your strap, you got things nice and open, kept your posture nice and tall. Can't wait to see you in the next video.